I heard that you have a lot of passion for what you do. So can you tell me what drives you?
Well, I lost my leg when I was 15 years old I was in a traumatic accident. So that's kind of my drive, just helping other people, being in their shoes, and kind of understanding what they're going through. And that's a big part of the practice too. I think why it's worked so well, because patients relate to me. They want to walk like me. They want to, have a leg like me, and it works. So that's the drive, the patients and them trusting me.
Describe one of your most memorable moments during the career of OAP.
One of the most memorable moments of being in the prosthetic orthotic profession was being able to open my own practice. Was finally coming to terms with that I needed to take that leap and become independent in the field and open sunshine. It was, I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, it was time, and it was one of the best decisions I ever made. So I did my research. It was very hard at first because I had a newborn, but I made it happen. And like everything else, we worked from the ground up here. Started out with a laptop on the floor and nothing on the walls, and finally turned into, I have 6 employees, and we've been open for 5 years. So that is definitely my most memorable. Some fun times out there, but that's opening was the pinnacle for me.
Very good.
Sorry, say the question again.
Sure. How does the OMP Woman of the Year award benefits the profession in general?
The OMP Woman of the Year award benefits the profession by recognizing us women in the field and how far we've come. It's a very male-dominated practice and field, so just honoring us really makes a big difference.
Fantastic. It's very good.
You dropped.
I should have that in case he just says Jerome rather than just.
He's had free reign up here, so.
Yeah.
Nico, that arm gets
What
charged.
happened to the phone?
Well, we're waiting for that little hand to charge.
Hi.
There you go.
Let me have it.
Wait, you can play with it after. I don't want it to die. What's he looking at? Yeah, the battery's low, so it's not.
Yeah, it's not doing all the way. Yeah.
It's so small.
I have no idea. It's absolutely minuscule.
Yeah, this is the schedule. Look at
Yeah,
him.
those owls?